YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy, your weekend gardener. I'm out here in the garage. Purple bell peppers. Planted them 3/14. Today is the 29th of March. And I'm going to up pot. Should have done this a while back, but busy. So I'm going to try it now. These are growing in my indoor greenhouse. And normally what I do is when I start seeing sprouts, leaves, stems, or I guess it's called the true leaves. When I see the true leaves or more leaves after the true leaves, that's when I put it in my grow tent. And I didn't do that, so here we are. I don't know how gentle you have to be with the roots, but I don't think they're like watermelon, so there we go. That's the benefits of using loose soil, loose potting mix. And this is the indoor stuff because I don't want to bring any fungus gnats in the house. So I believe I have 5 of these plants. Maybe a little bit more. But if you ever seen purple bell peppers, they kind of look good. Kind of different. I haven't seen them in a grocery store. But this will be my second year growing these, and we did okay last year. This year we're gonna do a lot better. I think I had a total of maybe 4 purple peppers in the past, but we're going to do much better this year. I find that when I use banana water to water them in, a few days later, I've seen my tomatoes wake up. They were drooping. They look real bad. Normally when I see them look like that, I know they're not going to make it. So what I did is I hit them with some banana water. Also, too, I had cow manure, coffee grounds, and wood ash in my soil. So that it could be a combination of all those things, or it could just be the banana water. Don't know. Could be the banana water and the grow lights. But either way, they are looking real good. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the next few minutes. I'm not going to put everyone through the torture of watching me do all these plants. Pretty much all I'm doing is just up potting. Move into a bigger pot. Give the roots a chance to stretch out his legs. So, I'm going to do an update. You see how these look now? Not too bad. They have a great start. And stay tuned for updated videos on my purple bell peppers. Take care. Okay, YouTube. Want to do a little update on my bell peppers. These are the purple bell peppers. Today is the 7th of April. You saw me with these bell peppers up potting back last month. Here's where we are as far as size. Not as big as I think they should be, but they are definitely larger. They've been sitting outside now for over a month. I'm trying to find the largest ones, which I think is this one right here. So I'm going to put them all together. This is a purple. This is the purple. Okay, I believe these are the purple bell peppers from earlier. I think that's the orange. But that don't count because that wasn't part of the mix. But these have significantly gotten bigger from what we saw earlier. That seems like the most healthiest one because of the green. This and this one are the biggest. But you're looking at, what is that, seven purple bell peppers. I do want to grow more though, because like I was stating in the earlier video, or earlier in the video, is I got a total of 3 or 4 peppers for the entire year, and that was not good enough. So I figured that if I plant more peppers, then my harvest will be bigger, or should be bigger. So here's what they look like. Stay tuned.